she said like around 2 weeks. I hope so ये चल जाए. I don't want to return this man. According to the manual, this one go would on this. This would go on the. Okay. So in the manual it says press and hold for 3 seconds. I think it's out of battery.